When you say hunting, most people who do not hunt think about hunters as people who go out, kill an animal, and go back home. It's being out in nature and being a part of nature and being aware of that you're a part of nature. Hunting depends on respect for the nature. It's not rocket science to feel and read and experience nature. It's just being out there. Be aware, take your time, and open your eyes. I'm Henrik. I'm German, 49 years old, 2 children, live in the northern part of Germany, and I'm a passionate hunter. It all started in 2005 when my daughter was born. I was living in Hamburg together with my wife, and I was working as a consultant. The problem was that I never saw my newborn daughter awake because my working days were long, and I made the decision to quit. Me and my wife, we moved up here. We bought a house with the help of my parents, and that is what brought us here. Basically, the wish to have more time with the family. My son and me, we go hunting very often together, and he made his hunting license this year, and he followed me hunting since he's 4 years old. I tried to pass all that on to him and let him basically go through an apprenticeship. You need to know your craft. And knowing your craft in this particular case means that you know enough about the animals that you hunt so that you're able to identify them. The other part is that you know your tools. You need to know your ballistics. You need to know safety rules. You need to be able to shoot. You don't shoot anything where you're not absolutely sure that it's the right animal that you shoot, that it has the right age, that you're absolutely certain that you can place the shot well. It's not about a second or third follow-up shot. It's about one shot. One shot, one kill. That's the intention. Hunting with my son or with my daughter, I mean, it's all about the moment. And the moment when you're out there and you share this moment with someone you love, that is unbeatable. And if I can bring nature just a tiny little bit closer to my children or even more people, wonderful. I'm happy.